Hey everyone! Over time, our Opera browser stores temporary files called cache to help websites load faster when we visit them again. These cache files include images, scripts, and other website data that boost speed and performance. However, cache can sometimes create problems like showing old content, causing websites not to load properly, slowing things down, or leading to login troubles. When this happens, clearing the browser cache can refresh our browsing and solve many common issues. Knowing how to clear the cache in Opera is a simple but important way to keep our browser running smoothly and efficiently. The goal of this guide is to show how to clear the cache in Opera without removing important things like saved passwords or bookmarks. Many people think clearing the cache deletes everything, but Opera lets us choose exactly what to remove. This guide will show us where to find the clear browsing data settings, how to pick the right time range, and how to safely remove cache files. By following these steps, we can fix loading problems, free up storage, and make sure websites show the latest content. Now let's go through how to clear the cache in Opera in the easiest way. First, we open our Opera browser. Once we are in Opera, we go to Settings. We can find settings by clicking the three lines in the upper right corner. Click this, then scroll all the way to the bottom. Here, we also see options to clear browsing history and manage data security. In Settings, we go to Full Settings and then to Privacy and Security. Under that, we find Delete Browsing Data. Click this, and then we can choose what we want to delete, such as passwords, autofill data, cookies, and other site data, and cached images and files. We will delete the cached images and files. After choosing what to delete, simply click Delete Data. Once it is deleted, it is gone, and we have freed up memory. After clearing the browser cache in Opera, we may notice better website performance and fewer loading problems. Clearing the cache regularly helps prevent issues and keeps everything working well. Just remember, after clearing the cache, some websites may take a bit longer to load the first time as new data is saved. By doing this simple step, we keep our Opera browser clean, updated, and running smoothly for a better browsing experience.